Hello. It says here your decimal to binary function works well, but there is an issue because of the condition in your while loop. Where is our while loop? Okay, what's wrong with our condition? It only works for numbers greater than 0. If you try to convert 0 to binary, nothing will get added to the page. Okay, to fix, add an if statement to check if input is equal to 0. Leave the body of the if statement empty for now. Okay, all we have to do is make an if statement with a condition of input is equal to 0, but it says leave the body for now. Leave the body empty for now. If but you should add an that if statement that checks if input is equal. Oh, I think we should use strict operator. Yes.